So this is an upside down parabola with a vertex at 5, 1. And I asked the students to write me an equation for that. And they figured out that it was x, I'm going to be on purpose make a mistake here, plus 5 quantity squared minus 1. Did I do that right? No. Which part was messed up? Negative. That should be a negative. Oh, there's a bunch of things messed up. X minus 5. Did I fix that a little bit? Plus 1? Yes, is it totally fixed? No, because of the negative in front, because it's an upside down parabola. I guarantee you somebody else in here forgot that negative in front too. I was on purpose making a mistake. I actually forgot the negative in the front. Okay, cool. Now what if they said, is that general form? Could you multiply it out and get general form? And the key will be, are you careful about it? Because everybody knows you're going to square this, but do you square it right? And then do you know what order and where to put the negative and how to simplify it all down? Try that. That is definitely a test question. Get vertex form to general. And generally, that just means multiply it out. Did you catch any mistakes that you made? Negative x squared plus 10x minus, not 25, because we have to add this 1, minus 24. Who had a perfect paper on that one? Okay, awesome. That is called what form? General form. Now, the vertex form was here. What form is missing? Factored. We have enough info. Write the equation for factored form. Mark and Colin absent. Check with the kid next to you, so you get the same thing. That's positive 4. So I use a negative 4 in there because I want 4 to make it equal 0, because 4 is one of the zeros. And then an x minus 4 here, or no, sorry, x minus 6 here, and then the most common forgotten thing? Negative in the front, because this thing is upside down. So easy to forget that, isn't it? Okay, yes?
Does it matter which goes first, like the 4 or the 6?
Nope, this or this could be reversed, doesn't matter. Okay, last thought. What is the axis of symmetry? And if you just put a single number, I hope that you realize, wait a minute, that looks wrong. The axis of symmetry. You might even know that it's right here, but do you know what to call it? X equals 5. Raise your hand if you had that one right. Awesome. Notice it's the axis of symmetry. It's got an X. It's the X of the vertex. All right. That covers a lot of what you had to know for this test. Now, there's more, of course. And you have a review worksheet that's going to help you. Today is going to be a lot of time for doing problems, asking questions. All right. And then we have another review tomorrow where I'll go dig in even deeper and make sure you understand all of the tougher stuff. But for right now, I'd like you to just work on the worksheet. You have a bunch of time, and then come up and ask me if you get stuck. It is just a worksheet, right? I think there's something in there that says optional Schoology quiz. That's optional. Don't have to do that one. Some kids like more ways to practice for the test. There you go. But the worksheet is what is actually assigned. All right, that's all I got for you for today.